If you're a filmmaker, vlogger, or even someone who just needs to have a sturdy camera, then a mini tripod is very simple yet a must-have. The mini tripod here is by Moman and has a rather utilitarian approach. The tripod is a simple mini tripod with 3 legs that fold out, however it has some tricks up its sleeve. Well, I mean features. The first feature being is that this thing is really sturdy. The entire thing is made from CNC aluminium, been watching too many American TV shows, and also means that it's still fairly lightweight. The max payload of this mini tripod is 80 kilograms or 176 pounds for my American friends, but this tripod is so strong that it can hold 10 RELXs. Yeah, 10. That is a lot of cameras. Don't know why you would want 10 RELXs all stacked on top of each other, but it would be pretty cool. And also, it's so strong that it's stronger than this guy right here. It could lift more than this guy. The legs also fold out in 2 different angles to allow for a more sturdy placement. Just twist the red ring to change the angle in which the legs swing out to. The tripod also has a larger 3/8 thread as well as a 1/4 20-inch thread on the mount to allow for things like monopods as well as cameras alone. The larger screw sits on a spring mechanism which makes it easy to use either and will just slide down when attaching the 1/4 20 thread. The legs on the tripod have 2 1/4 20-inch threaded holes to allow for attachments such as a microphone, a light or anything else. Some male-to-male 1/4 20-inch adapters would have been nice though, since you'll probably need to get some magic articulating arms or a suitable adapter, since a lot of things only have female 1/4 inch threads on them. None of the accessories shown came with the tripod except for the 3 straps, which I'll talk about in a second. Segueing into the 3 straps you do get with a tripod, they do feel really strong and they're made out of a sort of seatbelt material, so they look plenty strong enough. They can be fastened to the tripod by the gaps in the legs, which can also allow you to secure the tripod to things like trees or a car wing mirror to get some really interesting angles. However, when I was actually filming this video, I went to attach the 2 straps and the tripod to a car wing mirror, and one of the clips from the straps actually snapped. So the clip just came right off basically and it wasn't usable anymore. And also I think the straps aren't very long, they could be a bit longer because they're just not quite long enough to attach it to larger things. I would highly recommend getting a ball head of some sort to mount between the camera and the tripod. My phone's just gone off. Otherwise you'll be fixed to just one position. And another thing I would say is that if you're a vlogger and considering getting this tripod, it isn't the most comfortable thing to hold, so just keep that in mind. There's really not much more to say about it though. It does the job very well with some extra features that I would see myself using. It has added flexibility with the straps to get some tricky shots, and it's sturdy enough that I wouldn't need to worry about throwing it around or dropping it. Just try not to drop it when you have a camera attached though. Thanks for watching this short review. If you want to buy it, there'll be a link in the description below. And if you are new to the channel and you enjoyed the video and you want to see more, please do consider subscribing, there's always room. And maybe enable notifications. Even if you are subscribed, maybe enable notifications, that would be pretty cool. And I really appreciate that. Thanks for all the recent subscriptions, I really appreciate it. Just everyone commenting on my videos. If you're from like an older video, thank you so much. And yeah, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, because I don't really shout those out, but you probably should. And yeah, leave a comment if you want to. Like the video if you enjoyed it, dislike if you didn't like it, and I'll be back for another video very soon. Peace out.